All right, people, please listen to me. Listen to me. The next new world, all right? And by new world, I mean the world of higher interest rates, which, by the way, Omicron is not the only reason why the market has been selling off these past recent days. We also have inflation, all right? Jerome Powell pivoted. He just, turned and said, well, I guess I was wrong. Now we have to look at this inflation thing and start doing something about it because it's getting worse, right? So it means when they increase rates, it means free money is going to go, all right? It means they're going to pull out the printing money machine that started way back in 2020 when they were still trying to support the economy facing the pandemic. But now they're like, man, the job market is looking kind of great. People are still buying stuff, so the economy is growing. Why the heck do we still need to go in debt in order to continue to sustain something that by its own can be sustainable? So hedges like, that's not a good sign for us. Why? Because we have free money. When they borrow your shares, have you looked at how the interest rate is this low? It's cheap. It's cheap considering everything else to borrow that type of money in this current economic and financial environment. But things are going to change in a matter of, we don't know, because Jay Powell said, hey, it's going to be sooner rather than later, even though they said we might still continue to look how things work, especially in face of Omicron. But we think that we might start pulling that money off of the market. When that happens, what do you think is going to happen to the hedges, to the short sellers in AMC and other stocks as well? It's going to be the end of some of these bullshit that they're putting in the market now, because money is not going to be cheap anymore. Credit isn't going to be cheap anymore. And they have to decide, do you want to continue to be in business, or do you want to keep shorting a stock that is not going back down to what you think it will go to, especially AMC? So they're trying their kind of last resort thing, to grab as much money as possible. And that's why you're seeing AMC dropping 10% today, 15% yesterday, 18% the other day, etc., etc. Is it the last rip before the dip? I already shared on this with you guys. I think it is, but I'm being cautious, right? Because nobody knows with AMC and this freaking stock current market. But I wouldn't be surprised if this starts, a quick reversal in the next coming weeks. Maybe not the days in the next coming weeks, but hey, if that's why you have to know exactly how to play the game. This is really a mentality, psychological warfare. All right. They want to squeeze you out. They want to shake you out before they do what they have to do. And if you stay strong, you'll win. If you don't, you already know.